subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Chuwi Hipad Pro comes with a large 10.8-inch full-view display which offers the highest 90% screen-to-body ratio. Its full HD resolution display comes with 280 ppi of pixel density and offers 600 nits of maximum brightness. It offers a golden screen ratio of 16:10 for an optimal viewing experience. Moreover, the tablet houses 4 matrix surround sound speakers to offer an immersive experience while watching the digital content via the prominent OTT apps. The tablet houses Google's official Widevine L1 digital certification, which enables to enjoy the premium content from Netflix, Amazon and other OTT apps without compromising Don't quality. Chuwi Hipad Pro tablet is powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC coupled with an octa-core processor and Adreno 610 GPU. The chipset offers a fast 4G LTE connectivity with blazing fast download and upload speeds. The new tablet debuts with a 128GB UFS 2.1 high-speed storage while offering speeds of up to 800 Mbps/s. There's a 7000 mAh battery coupled with a Qualcomm QC 3.0 fast charging support. It is sufficient enough to offer a decent battery backup time of up to a couple of days. The Chuwi Hipad offers support for wireless accessories such as Bluetooth keyboard and H6/H7 calligraphy and painting stylus. It is a powerful tablet that comes with Snapdragon 662 SoC while having an affordable price tag of $199. However, the device offers up to a 90% screen share ratio while maintaining cost effectivity. The tablet will be on sale from August the 3rd to the 5th for the initial retail price of $199.99. There will be free magnetic keyboards for the first 300 buyers. You can know more about the device by heading to the official Chuwi store. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.